after you must have registered with Nursing and Midwifery Council UK, you can start searching for a job at any stage, but preferably start searching for job after you must have passed your CBT and English exam. You can either get an agent or you apply directly on NHS job or track or Indeed, depending, for jobs in the UK, NHS in the UK. You can as well apply for jobs and care homes through their website, and bear it in mind, you're going to have series of invitations and interviews via online, preferably. So stay after getting an offer you are comfortable with. The comfortable is very important. Sign the offer letter. You need to sign the offer letter. After signing the offer letter, you need to send the document to the trust. Don't sign more than one offer letter so that you don't block others' chances. And if you're lucky, some trusts can sponsor you. They can pay for your flight ticket. They can pay for your visa. Or some, you can pay for everything. After much, when you land in the UK, you will get a refund. So depending, some trusts cannot pay for anything for you. So if you're lucky, so the final stage, which is step 16, when you get a job, as you have landed a job, you get certificate of sponsorship, which what they call COS, that will allow you to apply for your UK visa. After applying for your UK visa, good enough, if you are married, you can bring your spouse. If you have children, you can as well bring them over, because the certificate of sponsorship, the COS, covers your family, your dependents, which is your spouse and your children. If you're not married, fine. So when you apply for your UK visa, within 15 working days, a normal application, standard application. And if you want fast track, which the one that's up to 5 to 7 working days, when you get your visa, the next step is to contact your agent, to book your flight ticket. You contact Scamander Travels. So Scamander Travel will take care of your flight ticket. Thank you. Bye.